Hello. First things first, thanks a lot for attending this demo session. Right? You will absolutely love it. Here in this demo session, I'll tell you everything that you can do in our app to bring your school, college, class, preschool, everything back on track. Without much further ado, let's start. So, here, let's go through one of the most important features, which is videos. Right? I'll go to the videos, select a class, for example, second B. Here, you can push all of your content at one place, right? Anything subjects you got, right? You can always put it in one place. Students don't really need to search anything, right? Consider these are the chapters of English. I can easily check the videos as a student, okay? Go to lectures and watch them, right? I'll show you a snapshot. Students can watch your lectures easily. Right? For example, this. Either you can push your own lectures, you can upload your own lectures, or you can post videos from YouTube. Absolutely no issue. Right? So, let's go to the next feature, which is conferencing. In conferencing, you can take live lectures of your students. Right? And you can conduct them for as long as time as you want. No issues. Right? Consider this. Here are two live lectures which are scheduled, okay, for geography and maths. Right? Students can observe everything at one place, and what we do different is, consider this live lecture is at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Right? Okay. What happens is at 10 a.m. before 10 a.m. 50 minutes before 10 a.m. the parent and the student both will be notified that they have a lecture going on, right, at 10 a.m. so they won't miss any of your lectures, right? As usual, you can create as many conferences as you want, no problem. And students cannot forward the links of your conference to other people, right? So only the people in your institute, students, teachers, can access the conference, no other people, right? So let's go to the next feature, which is test. Now what we do in our test different is that you can take tests everywhere, right? But what we do different is, in our test we have enabled the anti-copying feature, right? Why? Because 90% of those students in online tests copy. Why? Because they have WhatsApp, they can call their friend. That does not happen here, and I'll show you exactly how. But before that, let's just go through the test. Okay, consider this test is scheduled, right? I want to add questions, right? Before that, I'll keep the show results. Yes, and most important thing, you can access the results on the spot, right? Consider I want to add some questions. For the timing, I'm out of questions, but just do something. Okay, see. Now here we'll add any question, right? For example, who is the PM? Oh wow, PM of India. Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind. Right? I have to choose the correct option, assign the marks, consider it's of 5 marks. This is just a sample test where I'll show you how we do it, right? It's that easy. And once, remember, we have fed the correct option. What's the use of that? The use of it is that the teachers do not need to check the test. Our algorithm or software checks the result by itself. So what teachers have to do is they just have to make the question paper once, just like I have made right now, and they can rest easily. What they have to do next is that just supervise during the test, see whom children are copying. That's it, right? Now I'll show you something beautiful. Due to this show results, what has happened is, after students complete the test, they will be shown the results, and I'll show you how it is done, right? So we had this test back then. Okay, let's go to this test, right? Social studies test. Now, once I click on view report, I can see which student has copied, right? And what are their marks. Okay. Now consider there are these two students, Tushar and Suhas. Okay, they gave this test. I can view the results. Okay, what is this? Let's see the result of Suhas, right? He has gave the answer of this one wrong. He has gave the answer of 3 questions right and 1 question wrong, right? If I want to see his results, I can simply download it, and he can download it too, right? See, this is his result in PDF. See, this was the result, right? Who is the father of India? He gave the wrong answer, hence it was incorrect. Otherwise, everything is correct, right? And if I want to see if he has cheated or not, how can I do so? For that, I just have to go back, click on the cheating data, and here it shows which students have cheated, right? Tushar has cheated when it was 12:30. Suhas has cheated on 12:33, right? In this manner, you can see on the spot what is happening, right? And you can track the students who cheat, right? And I'll show you. Right, let's go on the app now. And once the test is done, our software checks it by itself and sends the result both to students and parents. Now, let's go to the next feature, Q&A. Bye Tushar, hai काढून टाक. No. Second B. Okay. So now let's get on to the feature of Q&A. Okay, once we go here, we have to select the class. For example, I have to check the 2B, right? Now, one student has asked, sir, I was wondering why sky seems blue. Can you answer that? It is a question of science, right? And here a teacher has answered them in this manner. And once the student has asked the question, see, a student called Yash Patel has asked the question and I have answered. Once he asks the question now, all of the class will be able to see what I've answered, right? Because some students are shy to ask questions in live lectures, they can ask here. Okay. Now let's go to the most beautiful thing of our app, notice and alerts. Just like your school has a notice board, our app too has a notice board. Here you can post all the important notices that you want to post, like guidelines for latest admission results, anything, right? People who have scored great in 10th board exams, things like that. And you can send alerts too. Like, consider first standard A division has an extra class on Saturday. Then their teacher can send an alert. Just like, consider a teacher called Harshal has asked a student to be on his office immediately. Yeah, he has accepted the leave of a student. They can do it personally too. So you can get personalized notices too, right? So the teachers can get to know what's happening with the student. Now let's go to the admin panel. Now in admin panel, here we have done things such that admin is like the god of the app. He can see everything, right? Consider your school has 2,862 students, 5 classrooms, 25 staff members, right? He can see everything. Just like the principal, just like a principal of a school, what does he do? He takes a stroll around the school, see what's happening in every class, right? Similarly, he can do it here too. I'll show you how. Consider he wants to see. Now I am an admin here, so I can access everything, right? Consider he wants to see what's happening in 2B, right? Okay, there is a conference on GeoMeet, right? Consider he wants to see what's happening in 1A. See, 1A has these lectures on microorganisms and question tags. What is happening in 2A? Lecture on Deccan Plateau on multiplication and division. He can see everything which is happening on the app, what teachers are doing, right? These features aren't available anywhere, right? like a decentralized place where the principal can access everything or admin, anything, right? Now, one most beautiful feature of our app is that everything that happens with your student, he'll be notified. Consider you gave, yes, now I forgot to tell you, homework, right? Here you can give homework to your students, right? Consider I want to see what's the homework of first day, right? A teacher has asked his student to write an informal letter. See, here the homework is to be submitted till 30th July, right? So till 30th July, every child can see this homework, right? Till 30th July. It will be on the top. In other apps, like consider WhatsApp, if someone sends the homework, it just goes on the top of the chat. The child will never be able to see it, right? Like 200, 300 matches above. He will never be able to see it. But here, the child is notified that your homework is pending, right? On 31st July, a day after the pending date, he won't be able to see the homework, right? So they can't really give an excuse that they have forgot to give the homework. Okay. Now I've shown you pretty much everything of the app. Other features are quite minor, like feedback. Consider I want to see the feedback, right? Here, students can give the feedback, students and their parents. They can give the feedback to the teachers, right? Gallery where you can store all the photos. Now, consider the students and their parents are using this app. What happens is not every parent is satisfied. Consider students and parents are using this app. Turns out not every parent is that comfortable with English. For them, what we have done is we have specifically made our app in Hindi and Marathi too. I'll show you. You can change the language, make it Hindi, right? And you can access this whole app in Hindi, right? Everything in Hindi. Chetamani, Suchna, Gruhapart, things like that, right? So yeah, this is the demo. And consider there are siblings who are using this app, right? What they can do is if multiple people want to use the app, multiple people are there in one school, they can simply log out, right? And they can log in again. Okay. Thanks a lot for attending this session. If you have any doubts, you can always ask us in the comments or ask the representative who has sent you the video. And what we do is we offer no hidden cost. Customer support is absolutely free. We offer training for free too. So your journey with us will be absolutely smooth, and we guarantee on that. Thanks a lot for this demo.